traders, welcome back to this video for pre-market analysis for 10th of November, and the day will be Thursday. Tomorrow the market will be so interesting because it has given a proper closing in Nifty 50 as well as Nifty Bank. So today Nifty 50, it had a good trending day, and those who have attended the online conference on 5th of November, we have already taught a free strategy over that conference on that conference. So those who have attended the conference, they might have entered the trade over here, and they might have put a stop loss here, so they might be getting a good profit over here. So now let's start discussing for Nifty 50 for tomorrow. So Nifty 50, if it opens flat in the range of, so this will be the range for tomorrow. The above range is 18,220 and the below range is 18,120. So this is the range for tomorrow. If anything opens inside this, it will be called as flat, and this will be the best trade if it opens inside this range. So if it opens flat and gives a closing above 18,220 in above 18,220, and the time frame will be 5 minutes. If it opens flat and gives a closing above 18,220, we will be putting 25 points stop loss, and we will be targeting for 100 to 150 points. And if it opens flat and gives a closing below 18,100 or 18,120, we'll be keeping a stop loss of 25 points, and we'll be targeting for 100 to 150 points. So this is how we are going to trade for tomorrow. But the best thing will be if it opens flat, and it should be a sideways market till 12 or 12:30. So after 12:30, if it gives a breakout, whether it is upside or downside, then we will be having a good momentum. The momentum will be very fast. So on that case, we'll be getting a good profit. So let's expect the market to open flat and to trade in this range till 12:30 or sometimes 1. So now let's assume if Nifty 50 opens a big gap up around 18,300, okay, 18,300 or 350 in this range. So on that case, we are going to trade according to the price action. If it gives a closing above 18,300 over here, then if it gives a proper price action like this, so if it gives if it crossed the previous high, then we are going to go for bullish momentum. And the same thing in even in gap down. So let's assume if Nifty 50 opens a big gap down somewhere here around 18,000 or 17,950 in this case, then we are going to trade according to the price action. So we are going to trade if it breaks the previous low like this. So if it breaks the previous low, we are going to start selling from here. So the same thing we are going to trade in gap up as well as gap down. But we are expecting a flat opening tomorrow because it has given a proper range inside this. If it opens flat and starts trading in the in this range for around 2 hours or 3 hours, then we will be getting a good momentum. So now let's discuss for Nifty Bank. So this is the Nifty Bank chart, and it has given a proper closing before expiry. So this was the range for today. It's around 41,000. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so this is the Bank Nifty chart, and it has given a proper closing. This is the range 41,950, and the below range is 41,600 and something, 670 or something. Where is that? Okay, 670. So 41,670 and 41,950. This was the range for today. So tomorrow let's expect a flat opening. If it opens flat inside this range, then we'll be having a good momentum according to the Nifty 50. I mean, same as Nifty 50. So let's assume if Nifty opens flat and gives a closing above 41,970 or 980, let's say up to 42,000. So from 41,950 to 42,000, if it gives a flat opening and gives a closing above 41,950 or 42,000, then we will be targeting for 200 to 250 points. 200 to 250 points. So this will be our target by keeping 50 points stop loss. Sometimes it may travel 300 points also, but the first target will be 200. So this is how we are going to trade for tomorrow. If it opens flat, and it should give a proper closing above 41,950 or 42,000. The same thing in downside. If it gives a flat opening, and if it gives a proper closing below 41,650, then we will be targeting for 200 to 250 points by keeping 50 points stop loss. So this is how we are going to trade for tomorrow. The best trade will be if it opens flat and starts trading in the range for like 2 hours or 2.5 hours up to 12:30 or 1. Then if it gives a proper breakout above this or below this, then we will have a good momentum, and we will be targeting for 200 to 250 points in a one single shot. So that will be a huge momentum, guys. So wait for the breakout if you guys are an option buyer. So now let's assume if Nifty Bank opens a gap of around 42,000 above this level, 42,200 or 42,300. The same thing is Nifty 50. We are going to trade according to the price action. If it opens here and if it breaks the previous high by giving a proper price action, we are going to trade for bullish side. And same thing below, if it opens gap down like 41,400 or 41,300, according to the price action, we are going to trade. So if it breaks the previous low, then we are going to start selling here. But all the time frames will be of 5 minutes for tomorrow. So the best trade for tomorrow will be it should open flat in this range and it should trade for at least 2 or 2.5 hours in this range. Then after 12:30 or 1, then it should give a proper breakout. So on that case, we are going to earn a huge profit tomorrow. So for today, we have already discussed we have already sent, okay, this is the Telegram group. For today, we have already told that the market will be sideways, and I'll be trading here in this sideways. So I have traded in this range and I have got a good profit, and I guess everyone might have good profit. Even buyers can have a good profit, because see, even though you buy from here, there was a good momentum. Even though you sell from here, it was a good momentum. So option buyers also might have a good profit. So here I'll end the video. If anybody wants to join the Telegram group, you can click the link which is given in the description box below, and you can join the Telegram group. It's totally free, of course. And if anybody wants to join the class, you can contact me through 936-200-3502, and the number is given in the slide above. So you can guys contact me in this number. You can WhatsApp me or call me via this number, and you can ask me about the details, as well as you can find all the details of the course in the Telegram.